Some find their solace in stillness, in the quiet and the calm. But others, they find their peace in the untamed, in movement, in momentum, in the thrill of the unknown. Because in Wicklow, adventure isn't a choice, it's in its nature. Here the earth calls to you through trails that twist and climb, roads that wind like a story waiting to be told. Each stride, spin and push just as natural as the land itself. And it's in these moments between breath and motion that you feel it. A connection to something timeless, to something wild. Because Wicklow moves with you through every thrill, every climb, every descent. It's not just a place, it's a feeling. An adventure that lives in your chest long after the day is done. For those who seek more than a destination, Wicklow Outdoors is waiting.